Alegre. Pelikula. Guys? Oo, yun ang plot naman. It's the same plot.
So what's your next plan at the
Higit sa lahat. Cineast ako eh. I watch a lot of Emma Alegre.
So what's your next plan, attorney?
I just want to tell the MMFF kasi hindi naman tama. I was shocked nung narinig ko yung synopsis eh. The very same plot. Na ano siya, akala siya yung pinakaya na nasunog yung pabrika and then nung nalaman niya na nakakuha ng pamilya niya ng insurance 10,000 pesos para noon time na yun sa lot. Hindi na niya sinabing ano siya, hindi na niya sinabing buhay siya.
Pero hindi to remake, attorney. It wasn't announced as a remake.
I don't know. Hindi ba, yung Himala. Himala the musical, it's okay. Pero ito, I don't know kung may acknowledgement yan, ha?
Anong feeling ngayon, attorney? Anong next step niyo na
nagulat lang ako. I don't own the copyright. Nagulat lang ako.
Pero attorney, may rules ba sa gano'n? Meron ba?
Hindi ko alam eh.
Okay.
Pero dapat original, di ba? Okay. Or if you're going to adapt, tulad nung ano, Moises Padilla story, ni-remake ni Anthony Alonso, di ba? Pwede naman yun, remake. Pero ito, anak ng pating naman, oo.
So, attorney, anong gagawin natin sa Gringo? Ngayong hindi nakapasok.
Diba? Tapos may ano, is very real. Pero yung comedic situation, which is, nasabi naman, diba na pagkamalang namatay na, yun yung comedic.
Mag-pretend siya patay.
Oo, kailangan niya mag-pretend na patay na siya.
Pero po, yung pinakausap ko na rin ba? Na ito naka-okay siya.
Hindi pa. Ayaw una nakausap.
Okay. Pero meron siyang kahit paano na...
Hindi, alam ko nanonood sila ng live sa set. Kasi ka-text ko si Jun kanina.
Nag-shooting sila ngayon?
Oo, magkakasama sila. Diyan sa may sampalok. Kasi punta ako doon.
Direk, nabanggit pa kanina yung preparation ni Mary Vice. Can you share anong preparation yung ginagawa mo?
Hindi ko ma-share lahat eh. Kasi ayoko ma-preempt siya sa pag-announce niya. Basta definitely, this has been something that we've been working on. Parang February, January pa, nag-uusap na about a story like this. Kailan yun yung mabas ng nakatrabaho sila ulit yun? Around that time.
Thank you, Direk. And any reaction po na this pagbabalik ni Mary Vice sa Metro Manila Film Fest and makakasabay niya uli si Boss P with Piolo?
Well, interesting nga eh. Interesting kasi parang iba rin yung material ni Bossing at saka ni Piolo. So parang, I think it's interesting kasi you got the familiar faces in new genres, in new situations, with working with new collaborators, diba? Parang bago, pero familiar.
Original story ba? Original? Okay.
So, create ng writers si Jumbo at saka si Daisy with direction na the creative team ng Star. So,
kasi kanina
nagkasama
si attorney, may sinasabi na merong pinagbasehan. Meron daw ganyang story noon.
1955.
With Rogelio.
Alin doon
Yun nga, yung parang yung nagpanggap na patay.
Pero yun lang, yung part na yun lang.
May rules ba ang MMDA or MMFF na wala dapat parehong wala namang sinasabing ganyan. So wala namang sinasabing
may rules.
Kasi naririnig ko siya kanina.
No, I think yung nag-zeroin kasi isang aspect ng isang pelikula, di ba? May makakapareho. Pero yung kabuuan ng pelikula.
Tsaka sa panahon ngayon, lahat naman ng story at wala nang
lahat ng story, Romeo and Juliet.
Yes, wala sa diba? Yan ang reaction mo. Although hindi mo narinig sinasabi.
Hindi, pero sabi nga ni Ambet.
Appears to be an exact duplicate of the plot of the 1955 film Higit sa Lahat, starring Rogelio de la Rosa and Emma Alegre. Could you please look into that? And if there are possible consequences as to copyright, etc. Kasi
controversial agad ang movie mo. Usap-usapan agad.
the whole movies, puro pelikula Higit sa Lahat. Of course, she said yes.
Yes. Pare mo eh.
Very challenging.
Ano ba nakita?
Hindi pupunta pa. Or Cinema Exhibitors Association of the Philippines. Last year kasi 10 din naman yung ating official entries. And 800 cinemas lamang po ang bukas last year. But this year daw po, pipilitin nila makabukas ng 900 plus cinemas. So, may dagdag na cinemas, so mas ma-accommodate po yung 10 entries. That's why, upon recommendation ng selection committee, yung executive po decided to approve that recommendation na 10 entries instead of 8, and that we announced the 5 official entries based on script today.
University celebration. Ang organization po ng theater owners ay nagbigay daan po para sa retrospective of the 50 films or selected films of the 50 para po sa public viewing, and only for 50 pesos in this day and age. Mahirap ka makapasok sa cinema theater. So kaya nagbigay daan po ang saya for the organization of cinema owners. And sabi nga po nila, sigurado po niyo sila, but we are very grateful to them for this cooperation.
Nagtatanong kung paano tutulong. Like yung ating mga congressmen na bisita natin, isama natin kanina. May nagsasabi niya na nagtatanong kung ano
Kagaya nga po ng sabi ni Chairman, this is something that we can look and research. And even without research, as somebody in the industry, alam naman po namin sa pagsulat ng centralized na storya o ng script, there are only, as we learned in school, there are only 33 plots that you can work around. And so it's really very hard to be very original. At saka meron naman po tayo natawag ng mga hakot, adaptations, inspirations from. And for as long as the producers are inspired about this and they give credit. And yun nga po, wala pong problema sa intellectual property rights. Let me feel at least that we can go about that.